Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Everyday American English. I'm Charlie, and I'll be your guide in this journey to learn real, useful English that people actually speak every day in the United States. Remember, the beauty of this podcast is that you can listen while you're doing other things. You can listen while driving, cooking, walking, or even while folding your clothes. You don't need to stop your life to learn English. You can just bring English with you everywhere. Today, we are going shopping, but not just any kind of shopping. Today, we're going to a clothing store. Shopping for clothes is one of the most common real life situations where you will need English, especially if you travel or live in the US. So let's get started with today's story. It's a sunny afternoon. Michael and his wife Sarah are celebrating their anniversary this weekend, and they decide to buy some new clothes for their special dinner. They walk into a large clothing store at the mall. The store is bright with music playing softly and displays full of shirts, dresses, and jackets. A friendly store clerk greets them. Hello. Welcome to Trendy Styles. Can I help you find anything today? Michael smiles and says, Yes, thank you. I'm looking for a nice shirt for our anniversary dinner. Sarah adds, And I'd like to see some dresses, maybe something elegant but comfortable. The clerk nods and says, Of course. The men's shirts are right over here and the women's dresses are just around the corner. Michael picks up a blue button-down shirt and says, I like this one. Do you have it in a medium? The clerk checks and replies, Yes, here you go. Medium size. Meanwhile, Sarah finds a long red dress. She holds it up and says, This is beautiful. Can I try it on? The clerk smiles. Absolutely. The fitting rooms are right this way. A few minutes later, Sarah comes out wearing the red dress. Michael looks at her and says, Wow, you look amazing. Sarah laughs and says, Thank you. I think I'll take it. Michael also tries on his shirt and says, It fits perfectly. I'll take this one too. At the counter, the clerk says, That will be $85 in total. Would you like to pay with cash or card? Michael replies, Card, please. They leave the store happy, ready for their special evening. Now let's check your understanding. I'll ask you some questions and then I'll give you the answers. Why are Michael and Sarah shopping for clothes? They are celebrating their anniversary. What did Michael buy? A blue button-down shirt. What did Sarah try on? A long red dress. Did the clothes fit them well? Yes, both the shirt and the dress fit perfectly. How much did they pay at the store? $85. Great job. Even if you didn't answer everything correctly, listening carefully is already improving your English skills. Let's review some useful words from the story. Button-down shirt. A shirt with buttons all the way down the front. Medium size. A clothing size between small and large. Fitting room. A small room in a store where you can try on clothes. Elegant. Something stylish, beautiful, and classy. Counter. The place in a store where you pay. Now, let's practice some useful phrases. Repeat after me. Do you have this in a medium? Do you have this in a medium? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. I'll take it. I'll take it. Would you like to pay with cash or card? Would you like to pay with cash or card? Excellent. Repeating full sentences helps you practice both pronunciation and real life expressions. Here's today's tip. When you go shopping, try to read clothing labels in English. Even if you are in your own country, many stores use English words for sizes, like small, medium, large. Practicing with these small details every day helps you build confidence. And that's it for today's lesson of Everyday American English. Today, we learned how to shop for clothes, how to ask about sizes, how to try something on, and how to pay at the counter. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next episode. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I'm Charlie, and I'll see you in the next class.